can see now on the landscape way. This is very nice area, very nice, very beautiful, amazing, fantastic all the way. Oh wow, great look. People are doing fishing over here. Amazing, rain is ongoing. See, we just crossed this small glass bridge to come over here on the other wood bridge. See, the boat is coming in the bridge. People is passing the bridge in the beautiful way. Okay, we will move. We'll move a little bit here, mid of the river. So it's beautiful way. All the lights get on in the evening. There are the boats. In the evening we will go with boat. So, 200x moon, Samsung Ultra. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The other this video will be a little bit long. In a beautiful way. All here, last bridge. With my friends. Yes. हल्की हल्की सी बारिश हो रही है, बहुत ही खूबसूरत है यहाँ पे, बहुत एंजॉय हो रहा है, बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है. वी आर एंजॉइंग दिस क्लाइमेट विद Tianjin, China.